Hey, so we're in our second part of our lesson. When you're looking at this sheet, you have already watched the theme video practice and done your assignment where you've written out the theme of your book. Then you're currently watching the video for step three. And when you're done watching this video, you're going to click on this link in this online learning day directions to join Canva, which is an app that helps you create different digital things online. So when you click this link, it will bring you to this page. I'm hoping that you see something similar to this, Mrs. OC's 2020-2021 classes with a search bar here. This is the teacher version, so yours is going to look slightly different, and I'm not exactly positive how that will look. So we're going to try it out and see where it takes us. But once you get to this spot, you're going to search collage posters. And then you're going to have to click on this word templates. And it's going to bring up a whole bunch of different options for you. Now, by picking one of these doesn't mean that you're going to end up with the same pictures that are on there, but it will allow you a starting spot for your poster. You're going to want to pick something that represents your book in a way, maybe color scheme wise. You're going to want to make sure that you have a spot for 3 to 5 pictures that represent your story. You're going to want to make sure it has a spot for your title and author plus your name. You're going to want to make sure that it has a spot for your theme paragraph that you wrote about in the previous assignment. You're also going to want a spot that includes a space to write about your character traits and a book review for your book, whether you liked it or didn't like it, and your explanation for why. So I would pick something that has a layout that already has a few different spaces to it. Like for example, this one right here might be good, or this one because there's a bunch of spots. This one's kind of cool because the words are going all different directions. So for the sake of what we're doing, I'm just going to click on this one. And when it sets it up for you, you're going to be able to change any of these things in here. So for example, if I want to use these 3 spaces for changing the pictures for it, if I click on it, I can delete it as needed. And then if I go over to this side here, I can add photos. I can add text. So I'm going to pretend I want to add text because I definitely need to include 3 spots where I am typing. I'm going to pick one like this. So when I click on it, it shows up over here. And so I'm going to then need to change it to theme. And then your paragraph that you wrote previously will go in this space. The theme of your book is such and such. Okay, so you're just going to write it out. You could probably just copy and paste it from your previous assignment. And then, of course, you can move it around. You can change the actual font up here. You can change the size. You can change the color. You can rotate it so it can move sideways, or if you want it upside down like this. If you want to add a picture, you go to the photos. They have options here for you, but since we're talking about our books, we probably want something that's similar to our story. So for example, if you're reading the book Smile, maybe something that has to do with smiling or braces. I don't think if you type in your actual book, you'll be able to find it, but it does allow you when you go to photos or upload, sorry, you can look for your own photo too. So you could search the web for a picture of your book cover to include and then drag it here. So you're just going to play around with this, and obviously we're not going to finish it today. We'll be adding to it, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of time to pick a template and get started on that. If you have questions, raise your hand and I will come help you. Thanks.